Hey there, in today's video guide, we are going to take a look at the best dash cams that are available on the market today. So whether you're a daily commuter, a professional driver, or just someone who wants to ensure safety on the road, we've got you covered. We've researched, tested, and compared various models to help you find the perfect dash cam for your needs. For detailed specs and pricing, check out the links in the description box below. Let's dive into the world of dash cams and find the one that best suits your driving style. The fifth product on the list is the Garmin Mini 2 dash cam. This compact, car key-sized camera offers unobtrusive monitoring with its 140-degree lens and 1080p Garmin Clarity HDR video quality. It features voice control in multiple languages, Wi-Fi connectivity for easy video upload, and a parking guard for vigilant monitoring of your vehicle. The Live View feature and multi-camera compatibility provide enhanced awareness, making it an ideal choice for drivers seeking both security and convenience. Up next in fourth place is the Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam. This top-rated dual dash cam is a favorite among Uber, Lyft, and rideshare drivers. It offers dual 1080p recording, capturing both the road and passenger cabin with remarkable clarity. Its front-only 2.5K mode ensures detailed images, vital for identifying license plates and road signs. The cam's infrared night vision is exceptional, providing clear footage even in dark conditions. The third product on the list is the Otovoda front and rear dash cam. Boasting 2.5K plus 1080p dual recording, it captures clear images day and night with its wide-angle lenses. Its built-in Wi-Fi and smart app control allow easy video access and sharing. With superior night vision, a 24-hour parking monitor, and an easy-to-install compact design, this dash cam offers comprehensive coverage for safe driving. The second product on the list is the REDTIGER dash cam front-rear. Revolutionizing road safety, this dual dash cam offers stunning 4K and 1080p recording, ensuring crucial details like number plates are crystal clear. Its wide angles, 170 degrees front, 140 degrees rear, minimize blind spots, crucial for collision evidence. Night vision is superior, thanks to the f1.5 aperture lens and HDR/WDR technology. Wrapping things up at number 1 on the list is the ROVE R2-4K dash cam. Offering stunning 4K Ultra HD recording, it stands out with its superior video clarity, especially in low light conditions, thanks to its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology. Its built-in Wi-Fi 6 enables swift video downloads and easy social media sharing. The integrated GPS tracks driving routes effectively, while the plethora of advanced features like a wide-angle lens, G-sensor, and parking mode make it a top-tier choice for any driver. So, there you have it. This concludes our list of the best dash cams. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. To see more about these products, check out the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching.